Hi, this is Kishore. Today, I'm going to show you all the amazing things that I purchased from China and how much they cost in Indian rupees. First, I bought these smart glasses. These glasses can record videos and take photos, and the best part is that everything works with touch operation. I got them in dual colors, black and white, and the price was around 3,700 rupees. Next, I purchased these K-in sandals for around 3,500 rupees. Then I got this handy portable fan with an inbuilt flashlight for 800 rupees and this neck fan for just 900 rupees, which is really useful for travel and summer weather. After that, I bought these metal 1 to 64 scale RC alloy construction models, and each one cost around 1000 rupees. And look at this. I got this Z100 drone for just 500 rupees. Next, I purchased these powerful turbojet fans for around 1 500 rupees. Moving on, I bought this children's thermal instant printer and these music drums for around 2000 rupees. Then I visited the watch market and bought a Patek Philippe Genève first copy watch for just 500 rupees. The funny part is the original watch in India costs a minimum of around 15 lakh rupees. And apart from this, I also bought several other watches for my cousins. Now, coming to the furniture market, I ordered this beautiful marble center table for just 20,000 rupees and it's currently still in transportation. Then I checked out this outdoor garden sofa set with a 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 seating arrangement along with a center table. The furniture itself cost around 35,000 rupees. And surprisingly, the transportation charges are also nearly 35,000 rupees. Next, I bought these two different styles of bar tables. I personally tried them before purchasing, and each one cost me around 8,000 rupees. I also purchased this office table for 7,000 rupees while the transportation cost was another 4,000 rupees. And yes, see, all these batteries had to be carried separately in my cabin luggage while traveling. Then I bought these Bluetooth enabled frameless specs for around 3,500 rupees. I also got these two mini RC cars for 1 200 rupees each. This robot cost around 7,000 rupees and this tractor shaped speaker was just 1000 rupees. Finally, I bought these small and big motorbike models together for around 10,000 rupees. So, yes, guys, all these prices have been converted into Indian rupees. And these are the items that I purchased from China.